Hi everybody, it's CreativeSarah here. We're gonna make a really cool project using 2 of our door tags. You guys, these are so inexpensive. You can double them up and make the cutest little sign for your front door. I am just gonna use some of our gray chalk paste here using our mini buffalo plaid, and I'm just going over the whole thing to get that design, that background pattern on the whole door tag. This is gonna be our background door tag. I'm just gonna peel that out, clean the transfer, and here we go. Now I'm gonna make sure this is all dry, and then I'm gonna work on the front door tag. Good enough. Now I'm gonna take our front door tag. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm going to put down our, in this house, we do door tags, okay, or door tags, dog tags. In this house, transfer, and I'm going to do the same gray storm chalk paste that I used on the back, but I'm going to do it on the front, except for the word love. Love, I'm going to take some of our candy apple red, and I'm just going to do the love in that red. And then I will pop a little bit of that kind of red and patriotic into the ribbons that I use to embellish this. It's going to be awesome, you guys. I cannot wait. I'm going to give this as a gift to our friend who's in the Army, and I think it'll go so awesome on their front door. Okay, so I'm going to line up those holes, and I'm going to do the 2 glue method. So I'm putting down my Gorilla Glue first, because that will take a long time to dry. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my hot glue gun, and I'm going to put down my hot glue because that will dry instantly and hold it together while the other glue dries to make a more permanent bond, especially for outside. Now I have 3 cool ribbons that I'm going to use, a gray check and another gray and jute kind of natural color, and then a little patriotic just to tie in with that red. Super cool, and I just kind of folded it over and made a little bow. Look at that. Guys, make sure you're following my page so that you get more ideas and inspiration. Of course, the link for this project is right in the description of the video. Click on the video and you're gonna see, if you're on your phone, you'll see that link and it'll take you right to the product. Remember, we have awesome sales going on the website, so make sure you check those out while you're there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Look how cute this turned out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for it. Have a great afternoon.